Mike, put it down, will you? All right, here we go. All 8. Get it going and send it back out. All right, Nitro A-Main underway. Oh, careful, Packy, all right. Watch your step there.
1, 2, 3.
This is a long race, guys, so don't worry about here, but, you know, so far so good. Everybody's looking clean.
7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 19 minutes left. 7, 1, 2, 4, 5.
Nice.
6.
Caution on the triple, all clear.
1, 7, 2, 3, 4, 5.
All right, 150 down. Martello, Yaman, Josh, Matt, Kevin, Chris, and Carl. That's your order. Fast lap. Martello 23.7. Followed by
18 minutes left.
Yaman 25.3.
1.
And Josh 25.6. I'm sorry, 25.0 second. I didn't even see that. That's
7.
wrong.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Next up after this is going to be four-wheel modified Bucky V-Main. Get them ready. Hopefully this weather does nothing to us, but I don't know.
1. 2.
Paulins getting it wrong in the corner of the straight. Caution, guys. 2 cars down on the straight after the double.
4.
All clear.
5. 6. 1. 17 minutes left.
Running a 49.20.08. Josh Cox in second place, 47.2017. Kevin running 45.20.05.
5.
Now 44.20 even.
7.
We'll see what happens, though. We still got 16:42 left to go.
1. 2. 6. 3. 4. 5. 7. 2. 16 minutes left. 4. 5. 1.
Martello, Josh, Kevin, Yemen, Matt, Chris, Carl, and Chris Lafoot falls down to 7. Their leader running right now, 48.20.08. Josh Cox, 46.20.13. Kevin Bates, 45.20.12. Let's stop from Yemen right behind Kevin, 45.20.15. 3 seconds behind him. Oh, Kevin having some problems. Careful when you get across. There you go. You're good. Come on, come on. Here comes the car, though. Get it.
2. 3.
Looks like Chris having some issues. That's too fast. He needs to get back in this.
15 minutes left. 1.
All right, 15 minutes to go, guys. 15 minutes.
6. 2. 3. 1.
All right, Josh moving up to the 2. Y'all moving up to the 3. Matt moving up to the 4. Kevin's falling back to the 5. Carl
5.
6.
6. 2. 3. 4. 1.
All right, Racer,
minutes left.
6-minute mark,
5.
6-minute mark. 6-minute mark.
2. 3. 6. 1. 4. 5. 2.
Matt Paulins, that's your one car behind you, just so you're aware.
6. 4. 13 minutes
Minute mark,
left.
guys.
5.
7-minute mark.
2. 1.
Caution, right there. You got it. You got it. You're good. Appreciate the hustle.
6. 3. 4.
All right, still Martello 1, Josh 2, Matt 3, Kevin 4, Yemen 5, Carl 6.
5.
Seems to be out.
2. 1. 3. 4.
Kevin Bates 3 and 4 battling it out right now. They're neck and neck. Oh, a little contact, but no harm, no foul. That's racing. Oh, Matt getting it wrong. He's stuck in the double there between the
12
double and
minutes
triple.
left.
Marshals are trying to get to him. That opens the door for Kevin to get ahead. There's a lot of racing, like 8-minute mark, guys. 8-minute mark.
3. 6.
I don't know what your fuel's like, but if you need to come in, now's probably a good time.
1. 2. 5. 3. 6. 4.
Yeah, guys, try not to spray the marks. I'm
1.
trying to help you out. Could have grabbed you quicker than you spun that car out on them. Get them all dirty.
2. 11 minutes left. 5. 6. 3. 4. 1.
A broken shot on that car going over the double there. Yeah, oh yeah, it's shot. You're coming around into this double, into the straight. That left front shock tower is done, or at least the shot.
5. 6. 3. 1. 4. 2. 1.
races. We're at the halfway point. 10 down, 10 to go. 10 down, 10 to go. Your order still, Martello ahead of the pack.
1.
In first place, Josh holding on to 2. Matt Paulins into 3, Kevin into 4, A-Main into 5, Carl into 6. Your leader got about 3 laps almost, 48-20-14 he's running right now. Josh, 45-20-07. Matt Paulins into 3, 44-20-19.
5.
And Kevin right on his heels.
1.
44-2019 also. We're talking milliseconds here.
6.
Let's see where they're at. Ooh, looks like Kevin getting wrong, but marshals himself. Very nice.
2.
Looks like Matt came into pit.
1. 4.
See him out there yet. So
5.
everything's okay. Oh,
9
there he is.
minutes
Take
left.
that back.
3.
Still holding on to that 3 spot. A-Main slipped ahead of Kevin there. Something happened there. He's got the 6 spot now. With 8:48 to go.
2. 1. 4. 5. 6. 2.
Right there, yeah, in the corner. Thank you.
1. 3. 4.
All right.
8 minutes
Minute
left.
down, 8 to
5.
go. Martello, Josh, Matt, A-Main,
6.
Kevin, Carl. See where they're at. Josh, 45-20-09. Matt Paulins, 44-20-07. Trying to keep
1.
up.
3.
Got a battle for 4 and 5 right now, A-Main and Kevin. So, hey, right behind you. Oh, never mind, you got it.
6. 2. 1.
Turn Marshall
3.
Turn Marshall can't get it. Frank, take your time. Take your time with this
4.
race. Take your time. Tank is empty though, right?
7 minutes left.
Next up, 4-wheel drive, modified, buggy
2.
A-Main.
1.
Get them ready, guys.
5.
You're up next.
3.
Fuel, Frank, you need fuel.
Martello Fabrizio on a
4.
Sunday drive, pulling ahead, staying ahead. He should have this one locked if everything goes well for him.
1.
Josh still holding on to that too. He's got a lap up on that about. Looks like Kevin creeps up to the 4, knocking A-Main down to 5. Looks like Carl has some problems as well. Here goes Master Bait. Up onto the top left, coming down into the double. He's still holding on to that 4. Nice and smooth through the triple. Coming on the double. Easy does it.
3. 5.
See how he does. Easy smooth. All right, that's enough for him. Let's see what he
4.
does. Nice.
1. 2. 6.
There's your leader now, and the white car coming through on the double.
5.
Hitting into the back cameras. Oh, getting it a little wrong, spinning him around, but he gets back on. He's got all the time in the world, though. You can afford that.
1.
Matt Paulins now moving up to that 2 spot, knocking Josh down to the 3.
2.
We're looking looking at 4 seconds separates those two.
5 minutes left.
See where they're at on the track.
6.
Here comes Matt Paulins all the way from Naples into the rhythm section onto the triple, taking a double triple.
1.
Where is Josh? I believe he's in that white car. Oh, Matt Paulins getting it wrong. Josh, I think, shoots ahead of him. See what happens on the turn.
5.
Oh, Matt getting it wrong on the corner pipe. Oh, but the poor Marshall, but
3. 6.
your man gets tangled up with another car, and now he's got to shoot on out. That gives Josh a little cushion. Still 4 minutes and 16 seconds to go. Thank you very much, Marshall, for marshalling this long race. I know it's terrible. We appreciate everything you guys are doing.
4 minutes left. 3. 6.
See how many seconds we got. Looks like about 7 seconds.
1.
We got
4.
Matt now. Here comes Matt over the double and the triple. Get a little pipe action now into the double. Josh isn't too far ahead.
2. 5. 3.
All right.
1.
3:28 to go. Oh, caution after the triple. Caution after the triple. All clear.
4.
Ooh, Josh gave him a little problems with the back, but he keeps going. Let's see where that puts him.
2.
Still in second place. That's going to give Matt still behind about 6 seconds.
1.
What about 3 minutes to go?
3 minutes left. 3.
Oh, Kevin getting it wrong on the corner. There he goes.
4.
That's not going to help his cause.
2.
Caution on the far left,
1.
guys. All clear. Just watch my marshal.
3. 5.
All right, 2:30 to go, guys. 2:30 to go. All right, getting tight here.
1, 2.
Still, Martello 1, Josh 2, Matt 3, Kevin 4, Yemen 5.
3.
What we got here? About 8 seconds between
5.
1 and 2. 3 of
2
4
minutes
is gonna
left.
be about, I'm sorry, 8 seconds between 2 and 3. 4 and 5 is going to be about, oh God, about 18 seconds, 16 seconds.
1. 4.
So we'll see what happens there.
2. 3. 5.
1 minute, 35 seconds, guys. 1 minute, 35.
1. 2. 4. 3.
4 seconds between Josh and Matt right now. Here comes Matt now.
5.
Slightly, but we'll see what happens. 1 minute to go.
1
minute to
left.
go.
2. 4. 3. 1, 5.
Oh, it's slapping now. All right, guys, 30 seconds to go. 30 seconds to go.
2, 3, 4.
Next up, four-wheel drive, modified VIII.
1,
10 seconds. All right.
5.
The race is over. When you,
3 are done.
You are done. Caution after the straight there. All right. Go across. When you cross the line,
2
you
is
will
done.
be done. Kevin is done.
1 is done.
Martello is done. Still got 3 cars. 2 cars, 2 cars.
5's done.
Josh is done.
4 is done.
Yemen is
5.
done. That's the race, guys. Martello 1, Josh 2, Matt 3, Kevin 4, Yemen 5, Carl 6, Chris 7. That's the race. Put him down. Get on out, Marshall. Probably need some volunteers.